After surveying some of the classmates about their cola preferences, someone came up with the following data set. Construct a frequency and relative frequency distribution table around the relative frequencies to 3 decimal places. Okay, so first thing that I'll do is go through and note the frequency of each type of cola. So Pepsi, I think what I'll do is just count how many times they appear since it's a small data set. So Pepsi appears once, twice, 3, 4, 5, looks like 5 times. Shasta, we have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and I just noticed that I have another Pepsi here, so let me just switch that over to 6. Then Coke, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the total there, if we add together 6, 8, and 10, that would be 24. Now, relative frequencies are the percent contained within each category. So I'll just use my calculator to help out there. So the percent of the total number of people in the survey who preferred Pepsi, there were 6 people out of 24. So 6 divided by 24 is 0.25. So 25% of people surveyed preferred Pepsi. Shasta, there's 8 people out of 24, which is 0.333. We'll just take it to 3 decimal places as requested. And for Coke, that's 10 over 24, which is 0.417. And as we learned in a previous section, the sum of these relative frequencies, well, having trouble there, 0.25. The sum of all of our relative frequencies should be equal to 1 or something very close to it. And that certainly is the case here. So they add up to 1. So we did things properly. And lastly here, we need to construct a Pareto chart for the data. So a Pareto chart, the thing that you need to make sure you remember about a Pareto chart is that it's basically a histogram, but the bars are ordered from greatest to least frequency. And the idea is that Pareto charts are only used for nominal data. And that's what we have here. There's no real, the words Pepsi, Coke, Shasta, they are qualitative because it's just labels of what type of soda you're interested in. And in particular, there's no natural sense of order to that data. So it's not even ordinal data, it's just nominal. So when we have nominal data, that's when we use a Pareto chart. And it's a histogram of the data ordered from greatest to least frequency. So here, the frequencies aren't ordered, and neither here. This one is ordered in the wrong direction. So the correct Pareto chart is this chart here, where the histograms are ordered from greatest to least.